What's going on, everybody? Judd Burdon here with Asphalt Kingdom. Today we're going to talk about how you're going to close way more deals with car dealerships by providing asphalt maintenance services. But first, before we do that, you know the drill. Click that ringy bell to make sure you're notified every time we push out content. And please do click that subscribe button so that you subscribe to our channel and you get notified and are able to watch all these awesome videos that we're pushing out to help you grow. All right, so let's get into the nitty gritty. How are you going to close more deals at car dealerships by providing asphalt maintenance services? All right, it's pretty easy. Here's the thing. Anytime somebody is driving up to a parking lot, they are arriving at a business, let's say, and the first thing they do is they step outside of their car. And what do they step on? They step onto the asphalt down below. Now, if that asphalt is cracked and decayed, dry and oxidized, what does that mean for the business that is the owner of that pavement asset? You see, asphalt, as it dries out, it gets cracked, it gets gray, it ends up with potholes and depressions, and it looks terrible. So subconsciously, a potential customer that's arriving at a car dealership, they're arriving in their car, usually, or walking on that parking lot, and the first thing they do is step onto that parking lot. If that pavement is cracked and it has potholes and depressions, what is the subconscious message that's being sent to that potential buyer? Maybe that business is not sound. Maybe that business is cracked and decayed. Maybe that particular dealership is not taking care of their property, meaning that those cars are not taken care of. So let's talk about the value proposition as you go up as a pavement maintenance contractor and you're going to go sell a car dealership. Let's say it's the owner of the car dealership or the general manager or the property manager. You're going to want to get through to those three different people. If you can't get one, look for the other. But the goal here is to walk up and say, hey, listen, I have a way that you're going to be able to sell more cars. We're a pavement specialist company. We provide asphalt maintenance services. We fill cracks, we seal them up, we do all the potholes and depressions, and we put down a nice matte black seal coat across the whole parking lot with fresh, crisp yellow lines or white lines, depending on what they're looking for. And now you have this beautiful canvas that's matte black with crisp lines with these brand new cars that are sitting on it. Now you've got a nice platform to be able to sell those cars, right? You don't want to have a car being sold on a parking lot that looks like hell. You want to be able to sell these cars on a parking lot that looks like it's been maintained. It looks like the business has been maintained. The windows at the car dealership are clean. The asphalt should be clean as well, and it should be looking fresh and ready to be able to sell these cars. So make sure that when you're selling your asphalt maintenance services, you're talking about helping them solve the problem, which is selling more cars. Well, now you can do that. You can now say, hey, my name's Judd. I'm here from Asphalt Maintenance Incorporated. And what we're here to do is help you sell more cars. And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to seal all these cracks, fill the potholes, depressions. We're going to seal coat it with a nice matte black finish with crisp lines on top. Think about it. Would you buy a car off of something that looked the way it is right now? Or would you buy a car off of a nice, clean matte black surface? Let's gift wrap these cars with a beautiful parking lot, and let's start selling car dealerships on our asphalt maintenance services. Please comment below. Let me know if this video has helped out at all. But car dealerships are an absolute opportunity for you to go out and build some really good accounts. And don't forget, car dealership parking lots are much larger than small 1,000 or 2,000 square foot jobs. So your average price now per job with car dealerships is going to be much higher, getting you closer to your financial goal faster. So let's really work this, everybody. Give it a shot. Comment below about how this has worked out for you. Again, subscribe, click that notification button, and we look forward to hearing how car dealerships are selling more cars because of your specialty in taking care of their parking lots and making them look great. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching this video. See ya soon.